Hi everyone, and welcome to a new feature in Advanced Installer, MSIX Custom Install Actions. Today we'll explore how to use Advanced Installer's feature to install a third-party redistributable file alongside your MSIX package. With Advanced Installer's MSIX Custom Install Actions support, you can specify additional installer files, for example exe or MSI, to be installed alongside your desktop application. This is useful for bundling third-party distributable components or prerequisites. To use MSIX Custom Install Actions, you must enable Developer Mode via the UI or PowerShell before installing the MSIX package and can disable it afterward if no longer required. Let's dive into the steps to use MSIX Custom Install Actions in Advanced Installer. First, open your MSIX application. Next, go to the Declarations page and right-click on Package Declaration and choose Custom Install. Select the folder that contains all the files needed to install your dependencies, exe or MSI files. In the Install Action field, specify the installer file to be executed before the main application launch, in our case the sample redistributable MSI. You can also set the UI level of its installation from the argument field. Let's set it to Basic User Interface. And create a name for the install action. In the Repair Action field, specify the file that is executed when the user chooses to repair or reset options on the settings page for your desktop application. Finally, in the Uninstall action, define the file that is executed when the user uninstalls your desktop application. Build and run your MSIX package. Your application will now automatically execute the specified installer file during installation, repair, or uninstallation based on the defined actions. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates from Advanced Installer.